In Navilur, there was a little boy named Sagar. His mother died when he was young. Sagar's father used to make sure that even though it was difficult for Hanuman to raise his son, he did not face any problem. He came to the town and enrolled his son in a private school with a desire to get a good education. Once Sagar's father suddenly lost his senses. For that, he took 3 days off from school to take care of his father. At the same time, exams were near for him. No one gave him a notebook of the lesson in the previous classes. He just did not bother about it. Due to this, he got low marks in exam. When Sagar showed the marks card to his father without getting upset, his father said, "Why is the score so low? I am not saying that you should get 100 marks, but don't you get marks as much as you put in effort?" he said. Sagar replied, "Yes, what you say is correct, but I did not take leave when you were not feeling well. No one gave me the notebook of the lesson held that day. What should I do?" said. Dad said, "You should not make excuses that no one gave them the book. Could you tell your teacher and get it from them?" If the teacher was afraid to ask, he could have asked me. I would have come and told your teacher. To which Sagar said, "Yes, I have never seen it." Father said, "It should not be limited to reading only. That's all in the life. No one will support and help you to move forward. We have to use our intellect to find a solution. Always remember this word," he said. Since then, Sagar stopped making excuses and became a smart student.